Hello Glam Squad, welcome to this slightly stuffy edition of my show today where we are going to do my fills. I don't do fills a ton. Normally I just remove and do a fresh new set, but I really liked these nails. It was so hard for me to remove the alien because I was so proud of that alien and it was still really, really cute. But I decided to just redesign these nails, and I don't do fills on the channel very often. So I thought, oh, what a great opportunity to do a set of fills and a redesign. So that's what we're going to do. I am going to keep the fills just to this thumb though, because otherwise it gets a little bit repetitive. And I know you guys want to get to the good stuff, which is in this case going to be the gems. So let's clean this up. We've got prep, prime, and I did add some tack, but I drifted out of frame a little bit, so you did not see that. Now I am adding some of that purple that I had kept from when I did the nails, as I had a feeling, and there was enough left over that I knew I could fill if I wanted to. And as you can see, I added a little glitter to it. It's just I want to say a lavendery kind of holographic silver glitter. So I just drug that all the way down the nail to give kind of a glitter fade on top of the ombre. So I think it came out delicious. Look at how cute that is. Look. So now we're going to design. This is where the redesign part comes in. I've already done all of the filing. Everything's ready to go. When you do fills, the filing is so minimal. It's just so super easy. It just takes a couple minutes. Now the decorating begins, and we're just using a little bit of silver polish and creating some line work. This polish is by Modelones. I had actually thought I would use striping tape on this, but I think my striping tape is too old because it was not sticking. So I'm going to be looking for some more. I was just checking to see if I thought that was going to look good there, and I do think so. So we're going to finish our line work on these nails real quick. So I'm just adding real simple lines. We're not doing anything crazy today. I think the nails are bright and awesome enough that just a little bit of lines is really just going to make everything pop. And then we're going to put gems on top too. So I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with this set, but I knew I wanted to gem them up because my other hand is so gemmy, and I wanted there to be a bit of a gem balance, if you will. If you will. Now we're going to add just one simple stripe on the pinky, and that is the extent of art that it is going to receive. It is going to be the one nail that doesn't have gems on it, and I'm fine with that. I'm totally fine with that. I am going to skip the thumb with the gems today, guys, just because we did the fills on the thumb, and just for brevity's sake, the gems on the thumb are almost exactly the same as the ones on the middle finger. So you're gonna see it once. I think that's gonna be plenty. Now, as you can see on the ring finger and the index finger, we are adding one extra horizontal stripe on top of the vertical. And I think it came out super cute. And I am just going to show you real quickly that we are adding a stripe down the thumb as well. A little bit thicker, like the one on the ring finger. I love how that silver polish looks on the purple. Well, on the green as well. I think it's so pretty. So what we're going to do is add our gem gel down. Now I did put a full layer of gem gel down and then added a little on top. And then we are going to surround this one with smaller gems. But first, let's just go ahead and take this tiny little brush. This is one of my new striper brushes. And we are just going to make sure that that area around that gem is really filled in, because it does sit up off the nail on the sides just a tiny bit, and we're not trying to lose these. Okay, I'm not trying to lose these. So now we're going to come in with some green gems, and these are Swarovskis. That big gem is not. It's something I did pick up at the nail shop though. That's vbsnails.com if you wanted to go check them out. They are a local shop here, but they do have a website, so you can check them out. And they sell a lot of things that some stores might not want to sell you. Not everything, because there are still some brands that I can't get my hands on that I really want to try. But you know, the search continues. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. You never know. I might meet a nail tech who wants to go shopping for me. Who knows? Who knows? Or you might just run into a shop that's like, yeah, just buy what you want. There you go. So I'm always looking. I'm always looking. If you are in the Las Vegas area and you know some cool shops, hit my comment section. You know, I want to hear about it. I want to hear about it. I want to know about it. I want to go there. Maybe we'll run into each other. That would be cool. Okay, so we're finishing up the gems here on this nail, making sure everything is where I want it. Now we need a couple more on the ends there, but we are running low on gem juice. Gem juice? What? I'm not gonna lie, kind of like gem juice. I think that's what we're gonna call it from now on, guys. It's the gem juice. A little gross, a little cool. I kind of like it. Kind of like it. Okay, there we go. We're just finishing up our placement. Look at that. Oh, a little up close vision. Oh, look at that. Oh, everything's where we like it. I love this cluster. No, that's the wrong color. I love this cluster. Oh my goodness, guys. I have a very stopped up head today. I think it's allergies. I was cleaning yesterday and I got a lot of dust. Actually, I was cleaning while I should have been editing this video, but I'm a little manic right now, so it's hard for me to sit still. Even right now, I'm a little fidgety. So anyway, I really love that cluster, that gem cluster, because it looks like a pendant or a ring. It looks like actual jewelry, right? And I really, really love it. You could even take it to another level by adding the micro beads. If you think I can't keep gems on, imagine micro beads, okay? No matter how much I encapsulate them in gel or top coat, they pop off. I cannot keep them on. So I've kind of transcended using micro beads on my nails. So some things you just can't do. And I've accepted that micro beads is one of those things. So now we're gonna do our top coat. And as you can see, this is the thumb. It's almost exactly the same as the middle finger. The gems are a little bigger. I didn't have enough small ones to do that graduated thing. So I just did the bigger ones with a couple small ones. I don't love it as much, but it's fine. It's totally fine. So I'm just putting down a dollop of polish and then using that with my tiny brush, because it's really hard to get a smooth coat up there with the top coat brush. As you can see, it's really hard to get in there, but you just got to be careful. And luckily this brush is very skinny if you do it from the side, but not all are. So that's why having those little art brushes around, it's going to be a big friend to you, big friend. And we are just smoothing. Guys, I'm sorry if you could hear that I was pinching my nose. My nose won't stop running. I've already taken allergy pills this morning. I'm waiting for them to kick in, but I did not have time to wait for them to kick in to do this voiceover, because like I said yesterday, I was rearranging and cleaning and organizing and having a good time with it, with my little manic self. And luckily I kept myself from going shopping or doing anything stupid. I just used that energy for house cleaning. And when I get done here, I'm gonna finish what I started yesterday, because I'm still feeling a little bit manic. So we're just gonna keep talking about mania while I finish this top coat situation. The last few days I've not really slept a lot because my mind won't relax, and that can happen sometimes when my anxiety is spiking as well, but not in the same way, right? I wasn't feeling stressed out or anything about it, just like really wish I could fall asleep. My body is tired, but my mind wouldn't let me for several days, and then you have to roll with it, right? I try to look at that time as like a little extra gift. Guys, I know I'm really low. I keep dipping out of frame right here, and I'm very, very sorry about that. For some reason, I saved this nail to the last. I think it was because I wanted to cure the other ones before I did this one, because I didn't want any of the gel to run on top of the gems when I was moving my hand and shifting things around. So this is the top coat on that other super gemmy nail. And as you can see, I'm running out of top coat on there, but I don't want to put down more. Okay, guys, this is the finished set. I really love this redesign. They are completely different than the alien nails we were wearing last time, but I think just as pretty and just as effective. And if you're a gemmy person, I bet you like these even more. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I want to appreciate you. I do appreciate you. I want to let you know how much I do appreciate you guys. You rock so hard. Don't forget to click my buttons and share this video. We are going to see you next week. Mwah! Bye-bye.